Today I'll be showing you how to embed something on your Weebly. First thing you will have to do is go to the Weebly app. Then make sure you're logged in. Remember your password is capital BMS and your student ID. Go to the website icon on the bottom and click Edit Site under the site name. Go to the page icon on top and click the page that you want to embed something on. Then go to the plus symbol on top and drag and drop the embed code onto where you want to embed. Then go to the website that you want to embed. Remember, not all websites have this, so make sure your website has an embed option. Click the embed option and copy the embed HTML. Now go to your website. Click the custom HTML button and edit your HTML. Paste the HTML you got from your website and now let it load. Now you're done. Press preview and publish your site so that your embed stays on the site. And now you've embedded something on your website.